Hi children, welcome back to your class. This is the third part of the lesson 11. Then in this section we will mainly discuss or study then excretion in animals, plants and human beings. What is excretion? Excretion means the process of removing waste products in the cells are called excretion. Then what is egestion? Egestion already studied in previous class. Egestion means the removal of undigested waste in the body. And excretion means remove waste products in the cells of the body. And egestion means removal of undigested food body. Then in our human excretory system consists of excretory organs. What are they? Two pairs of kidney, two pairs of ureter and urinary bladder. Then urethra and opening is called urinary opening. That means it contains, first we study these two valves there. These are arteries and veins. Arteries means they pass oxygen rich blood. Then veins pass carbon dioxide rich blood. Then come to the blood in kidneys. What is the function of kidney? Kidney help to filter the blood. That means some blood is harmful blood and useful blood. This kidney filter the blood and then pass to ureter, then come to the unwanted or waste products in the urinary bladder. Kidneys, what is the function of kidney? Kidney filter the blood. Then means useful blood is back into the body. Then unwanted blood is outside or unwanted waste products outside produced. Then next is ureter. Ureter pass then filtering blood into the urinary bladder. That means urinary bladder collect liquid type of waste. Example, urine. That means this urine contains water and undigested food material and salts. These pass into the urethra, then it outside go to urinary opening. That means this the human being's main excretory product is urea. The human being's main excretory product is urea. Then urinary system in human. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. Blood constantly passes through our kidneys. Then when the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. Filtration of blood is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. The useful substances are absorbed back. That means urine contains excess water plus waste. That means our wanted water carried in body, then excess water removed in urine. Then adult human being pass in normally 1 to 1.8 liters per hour. That means 1 to 1.8 liters per hour. Then the major excretory product in human beings is urea. Then the urine consists of urea or urea 2.5% and water 2.5%. Then other waste or water is 95%. Then another excretion in human is sweating. Sweating means we sweat a lot on a hot summer days. The sweat contains water and salt. It is help to cooling in our body. Then next excretion in animals. Some aquatic animals like fish, frog, then they excrete cells as ammonia. That means in aquatic animals excretory product is ammonia. This ammonia is mixed with water. Then next is land animals. Some land animals, lizards, snakes and birds, they excrete semi-solid. That means white color semi-solid. That means uric acid. And these land animals, snakes, lizards, birds excrete semi-solid products. These are called uric acid. Then some in human beings, cow, goat and dog, these animals excrete urea and urine. That means urea contains solid wastes and urine contains liquid waste. Then next is transport of substances in plants. Then in first mainly we studied transportation in human beings and animals. Then next is how to transport plants. And how first in which process is made of food in plants? Photosynthesis. Making food process is called photosynthesis. Then how to photosynthesis happen? That means plants absorb water and minerals from the soil. They pass into these stem pass into these minerals and water into the different parts of the plants. Then plants excrete carbon dioxide. Then plants excrete carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is plant animals and human beings. Then in plants and trees have roots there. What is the function of roots? Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then another two types of plant or vascular vessels there. These plants contains vessels there. These are xylem and phloem. That means plants root hairs there. These hairs. Then xylem represent water and minerals, whose function is absorb water and minerals. Root. Then root means root contains root hairs there. This represent xylem. That means xylem absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then next is phloem. Phloem means food material. Who makes the food in plants? Leaves. Then who carry this food material into the all parts of the plant? Stem. Then stem represent phloem and root represent the xylem. Then how to transport of substance in plants? That means then xylem help to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and phloem will then transport into other parts of the plant. Then next is another process is transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration means plants absorb water and minerals by the roots. The water evaporates through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves by the process of transpiration. What is stomata? In first lesson we already studied. What is stomata? Stomata means in leaves contains small openings or pores there. These pores are called stomata. That means stomata helps to water evaporates through the stomata present on the surface of the leaves by the process is called transpiration. Then plants have pipe-like vessels to transport water and nutrients from the soil. The vascular tissue for the transport of water and nutrients in the plants is called xylem. Okay, and these are the section of this third part. And we will finish this lesson. In first portion we mainly study circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of blood vessels and heart. Then blood components of blood, RBC, WBC, platelets and plasma. Then next we study then blood vessels. Blood vessels also contains arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries pass oxygen rich blood, veins pass carbon dioxide rich blood. Then capillaries function is they joined together. That means arteries and veins joined together. This the function is they pass into other substances on the different parts of the body. Then next second section we study human heart. What is the function of heart? How to blood flow from heart. Heart contains this organ. It is located in the chest cavity. It is acts as a pump for transport of blood to the all body parts. Then what is how to flow of blood in heart? Then means then carbon dioxide rich flow into the right atrium. Then it goes into the pulmonary veins. Oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means required portion, and carbon dioxide is matter or waste product of human. Then next in third part we discuss human excretory system. Human excretory system consists of excretory organs. What are they? Kidney, ureter, and urethra, urinary bladder, and urinary opening. Kidney is the main part of the excretory system. What is the function of kidney? Kidney filter the blood. Then they store useful substances and they remove harmful substances. Then useful substance back into the body. Then and harmful substance goes into the ureter. This means the pipe-like structure. It goes into the store in the urinary bladder in the form of liquid form. That means urine. Then urine pass into the this urinary opening. Then next is excretion in animals. Some animals, aquatic animals, excrete product is ammonia. It mix into the water. Then some land animals, snakes, lizards, birds have semi-solid like product in white color. It represents uric acid. Then transport of substance in plants. Plants have to transport or transfer that they transfer with the help of xylem and phloem. That means xylem help to absorb water and minerals. Then phloem help to they carry these materials into all parts of the plants. Okay.